30 miles on the Gulf Stream, I hear the south wind moan. The bridge is getting lower, the shrimp boat's coming home. But the old man down in the corner, he slowly turns his head, takes a sip from his whiskey bottle, and this is what he said. I was born in the rain on a punchy train underneath the Louisiana moon. I don't mind the strain of a hurricane, they come around every June. The high black water, the devil's daughter, she's hard and she's cold and she's mean, but nobody taught her it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. Don't mind the strain of them hurricanes, they come around